This is Don Cottam, and so I want to show you today the Meet X, which is this device right here. And so specifically, this is a great package for Zoom rooms. So this is a 12x camera, very, very good image quality, full HD 1080p 60, full PTZ camera, built into this base that already has our PC built in. So super clean installation. It actually ships with a wall mount shelf and has, obviously, as you can see, I've got on this here, we've got it screwed down into a tripod right now, but it does the same thing on a standard wall mount, or we have mounts that'll even go over the top of the monitor. So I just want to review the back plane of this thing. So to install one of these is super simple. You've got power, you've got analog audio in and out in case you need to lay this into another audio system or AV system. You've got two HDMIs for dual monitor support right out of the box. And then you also, right now I have a USB keyboard plugged in. You won't really need this with Zoom Room because we would obviously use an iPad or we would use an Android tablet as our primary controller. What's really great though is these simple audio systems we have. This is a wireless speakerphone and microphone. One of these will cover a table of about 8 people. And we can do 2 of those to cover a conference table of about 20 people. Here's the great part. Once we plug this in, Zoom Room comes up automatically. To get my audio system online, I simply plug in this USB dongle, and this automatically is paired with the speakerphone units that we ship with this particular dongle. So I've now set up my entire audio system. It's just that simple, that clean, that fast. So if you want some more information, you can go to easytalks.com to look at the hardware. All of our hardware is designed to be multi-platform. So Zoom Room is just one of the platforms that we can put this stuff on. And this works great with the Zoom Room package. So please reach out to us if you have any questions. And thanks for checking out the Meet X for Zoom Rooms.